To transfer your Amazon gift card balance to PayPal, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to understand that Amazon gift cards cannot be directly transferred to PayPal. However, you can use a workaround by purchasing an item from Amazon and then returning it for a refund to your PayPal account. Start by logging into your Amazon account and purchasing an item that is priced at or below the value of your gift card. Make sure the item is something you can easily return, such as a digital gift card or a low-cost product. Once you have made the purchase, initiate the return process for the item. During the return process, you will be asked to select a refund method. Choose PayPal as your refund method and enter your PayPal email address. Amazon will then refund the purchase amount to your PayPal account. Another option is to use a third-party service like Raise or Cardpool to sell your Amazon gift card for cash, which can then be deposited into your PayPal account. These services allow you to list your gift card for sale and set a price. Once the card is sold, the service will pay you via PayPal. To link your Amazon gift card to PayPal using a third-party service, start by creating an account on the service's website. Then, add your Amazon gift card to your account and set a price for it. Once the card is sold, the service will notify you and ask you to confirm the sale. After confirming the sale, the service will deposit the funds into your PayPal account. It is essential to note that using third-party services may come with fees, and the payout may be lower than the face value of your gift card. Always read the terms and conditions before using any third-party service. In summary, transferring your Amazon gift card balance to PayPal requires some creativity and patience. You can either purchase an item from Amazon and return it for a refund to your PayPal account or use a third-party service to sell your gift card for cash. By following these steps and being aware of the potential fees and limitations, you can successfully link your Amazon gift card to PayPal and access your funds.